All right, so here's a look at the RENPHO Smart Scale. Now, the thing that I love most about this is you're gonna be able to connect it to an app on your phone, which makes it easy to kind of track your weight over time. A lot of times with scales, if you're just gonna be tracking your weight mentally by just weighing yourself and then looking at it and then hoping next week you remember what you weighed, it's just not gonna happen. So having this app is a huge help. You can see here that I've got it connected right now, and you're just gonna turn it on. You kind of let it go. All right, so we're gonna select the scale. You click on go to measure. Now down here, you can see that it's at 0. I like tapping it just like a few times, letting it go and reset. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stand on the scale, and I'm gonna wait for it to stop. So there you go, you can see it's kind of blinking. That means that it's finished. You can also see my profile right there. It's got my weight, and it's gonna also show that data right here on the screen. Another thing that's cool about this, it's gonna show you a bunch of different things like your BMI, your skeletal muscle, how much water weight you've got, how much muscle mass you have. Now this isn't gonna be as accurate as something like a DEXA scan, obviously, because it's just a scale, but it does show a good amount of information and it can give you a good idea of where you're at. Now if you look on here, you can see that it has a really nice screen. So I like the fact that they have this good LCD screen on here. A lot of scales, it's always difficult to look down at that scale. This one's very bright and it really shows you a lot of information on here. It's got the actual battery life right there. It's got Wi-Fi connectivity, and it also is going to have your Bluetooth connectivity on there. Now another cool thing about this is if I just stand on here for a second, let me go ahead and let it take my weight. After this, it's going to start to display other information. So you can see right there, it shows the weight, it shows your BMI, and it also shows you what range you're in. So if you're in the normal range, it's going to be between the green and the yellow. If you're underweight or under BMI, it'll be blue, and then if you're over, it'll be red. So it's kind of nice to see that little scale that it goes up and down on. I've tried a couple of other smart scales, but honestly this one's the easiest to just set up and get working right away. Plus I really love the user interface of the app because it's just so clean and it gives you all this information. So if you're looking for something to actually track your weight and your body mass index, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up.